Sauk Valley's Weather Authority. This is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Happy Friday, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed a spectacular day yesterday, finally getting temperatures above normal for a change. The sunshine out in full force, really a beautiful day. Today going to be a little warm, but certainly not nearly as beautiful as what we had yesterday. Again, that strong storm system is gathering steam just off to our southwest this morning, setting up a powerful warm front, and you can see where that warm front is. Right now it's currently south of us. We're bathed in 40s and even some upper 30s for our temperatures this morning, but go south about an hour or two's drive, 60s and even close to 70 degrees, and a lot of moisture starting to pool, and that's going to set the stage for a very active afternoon across the area. We could have an extremely sharp temperature gradient across our local area even this afternoon. That warm front is expected to slowly work north, but the big question this time of year with that extremely cold Lake Michigan to the east, how far north can that front make it? Most of the models are keeping it a little bit further south of our area. Notice though some of that warmth is starting to creep in by late this afternoon. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get this front to go a little bit further north. We could have some 70-degree readings in our area. Otherwise, we're mainly going to be stuck in the 50s. Perhaps some of us could even get into 60s. I'm going to play the middle of the road for today, but be forewarned again, if that front heads further north, we could easily be bathed in some 70-degree temperatures for this afternoon. We're mainly quiet until we get it past about 2, 3 o'clock. That's when we'll start to see some activity begin to increase from the southwest. Likely going to see our first thunderstorms too with this system as it rolls through, especially overnight tonight. Notice by 9 o'clock, really expanding some of that storm coverage. As of right now, the severe threat is highest to the west, where a slight risk exists across parts of Iowa. Even more of a higher threat to the southwest of that. For here, we're in a marginal risk for the entire area. That's a level 1. And what we're looking for in terms of those threats is mainly the potential for some isolated large hail. Not really seeing much of a tornadic threat, damaging winds, or even flash flooding, but some of those storms could become a little bit on the strong side, mainly producing again some scattered areas of large hail. We'll continue to monitor that, especially anytime you get that warm front in the area this time of year. But temperatures, again, it's going to be a wide spread of values. Showers and storms are going to be likely. Those winds mainly out of the east, though again, if you're south of that front, a southerly wind is more in your favor. Most of us middle 60s, but again, south of the area favored for potentially getting up into those low 70s. Would not be surprised to see that at all occur this afternoon. Now the warmth again is going to be temporary. I cannot stress that enough. 60s go to 50s tomorrow, likely more showers and a couple thunderstorms on and off. And then, of course, can't get rid of winter. We have to visit that again for Sunday. Could see some snow mixed in with that rain, some light accumulations possible. But again, grassy surfaces like we've seen. The road temperatures are just too warm now this time of year. And for Monday, still 40s. It's going to be colder. We do get some more signs of warmth, though, thankfully, when we get into Tuesday. Another chance for some showers on Wednesday. And then slowly still trying to make that upward climb for our temperatures on Thursday. But overall, it does look like a fairly active pattern will rain across the area for much of next week.